Waiter, you'll get our order little fast because his eating window closes in 45 minutes. You'll have oats dosa, oats upma, or oat and chia pudding. It's like dating a horse who stops eating at 5 o'clock. I love the fact that you have the signature style, like all denim. He looks like he's always on his way to a 90s rock concert. People wearing denim to look young, it's just so desperate. I'd love to go to your farmhouse in Panvel this weekend. Why do you need a jacket? We're going on your Harley. I think his midlife crisis has already started. How? He's Parsi. Their midlife doesn't start till 60. Your sister hates my jokes. Like she never laughs. Ooh, Botox. Ria, he has 223 pairs of shoes. They're piled all over his house in these plastic boxes right to the ceiling. It's like living in a 3 BHK Bata store. You're sleeping? No, I'm not sleepy. It's only 8:30.